Watch this video and learn how to draw a yellow crayon. Yay!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello.
Are you happy today?
Artie, very happy.
Are you ready to do a drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what we're going to draw today?
I will move.
Well, you know how you love crayons.
Yeah.
Let's draw a crayon.
Yeah, okay. Yay! Happy.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
Good day, Betty and Mikey. Okay, let's begin. We're going to start by drawing the top of the crayon. Draw one angled line and then another one coming up towards the first. Now we need to join the two together with a little curve at the top. Now let's connect the bottom of the two lines with a little curve. If we're going too quick, little artists, here's a message from Louie. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. Now let's draw another curved line underneath the first one with a little hook on the end.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
And another little hook on the right side. Now let's draw two short, straight lines going up towards those hooks. That's it. Now let's connect the bottom of those two lines with another curve. And another curve in the middle. It looks a little bit like a space rocket. Now draw a curved line all the way up, but stop, leave a little gap, and then carry on to the top. That's perfect, Artie. Now let's do one big curved line from the bottom all the way up to the top. There you go.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Now at the bottom, connect the two lines with another curve.
Lots of curves.
That's right, Artie. There's lots of curves in this drawing. Let's do two more at the bottom. What we're doing is creating stripes on the crayon. You guessed it. Let's do another stripe. Just a little curve. Looking good. You want a cartoon break?
Yeah.
Sure, why not? Let's stop and have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some cylinder shapes.
Artie loves shapes. Cylinder trash can. This can of drink is a cylinder. A drink in a cylinder. My drum is a cylinder. Artie loves cylinders.
That was fun learning about cylinders. Did you know a crayon is basically a cylinder shape?
Oh.
Okay, let's draw some eyes on our crayon. Two little black dots for eyes.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No.
Good, okay.
Yes, Mikey, you look very fashionable. Okay, now let's draw two circles around our little black dots. That's going to make our crayon's eyes look bigger. Very good. Now let's do some eyebrows. We'll draw 2 tiny little triangles and shade them in black, one above each eye. I think it's time to draw a big happy mouth. Let's do a smiley curve, and then another smiley curve underneath, and then let's do a third smiley curve. Go on, Artie. That's it. That's going to be the teeth, and then shade in underneath black so that the teeth really stand out. I think it's time to add the arms. Let's draw 2 curved lines where we left that little gap earlier. Now draw a tiny little curve at the end of those lines. Now let's draw the hand. Draw a little hook on the end of the arm. That's right. And then a finger. And then we're going to do some little ovals. That's to show the other fingers bent over. There you go. He has a hand. Big thumbs up, Artie.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush.
Now let's do the other arm. 2 little hook shapes. Let's do the hand on the end. A U shape on the end. Now let's do a thumb. That's it. And then 1, 2, 3 fingers.
1. Wah.
Finished?
Wah.
Color it in, color it in, color it in.
You done? Oh, he came out great, Artie. I love the way you coloured his body yellow and his arms black. He looks awesome. Well done.
Man, I hope everyone else's project came out as good as Artie's did.
How does your drawing look, little artists?
We'll see you guys next time.
That's right. We'll see you next time. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.